Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue if your JBL Tune 660 NC they're not turning on and what you can do about it. So the first thing that you can try is just change the cable. This is the first thing if they are not like charging. The second thing, you can change the adapter and try to like charge it for like 4 or 5 hours. So have it left on during the night. Maybe it's going to work out in the morning. The second thing is that what you can do is just hold the power button for about 1 minute. And when you're going to hold the power button for about 1 minute, just hold it, and then you can press it like 3 times to see if it's going to work out. So this is another thing that you can try. The next thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out for you, you can hold the minus and plus button for about 10 seconds, and you will see if it's going to work out. So press the minus and plus button for about 10 seconds, and you will see maybe it's going to work out for you. So this is something that you can do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.